How to fix Facebook app black screen. If the black screen is appearing on the Facebook, first close it and open it again. Make sure to close it from the recent app list. After that, open the Facebook. Now your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of Facebook. Open the app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook, long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Now go back. If the problem is still not fixed, try uninstalling the Facebook and install the latest version. Tap on the option Uninstall. Tap on the option OK and it will be uninstalled. Now open the Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Facebook. See the results over here. Find the application for Facebook and tap on it. Tap on the option Install that you can see on the screen. Make sure to install the latest version of the app. After that, try opening the Facebook. Your problem should be fixed. If you do not want to uninstall the Facebook, you can also update it. Open the Play Store, search for Facebook and tap on this option Update. After the update is completed, your problem will be fixed. If not, there might be some problem with the device itself. There might be some temporary software glitches. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart in order to restart your device. After the device is restarted, open the Facebook. Now the black screen should no longer appear. Like this, you'll be able to fix Facebook app black screen. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.